Welcome! This video will show you how to use the WiseNet multi-directional camera with exchangeable lens. The PNM-9000VQ is a multi-directional camera with 4 sensors in a single camera, enabling users to get a complete 360-degree view simultaneously. The resolution varies between 8 megapixel and 20 megapixel, depending on the combination of exchangeable lens modules. To use the camera, purchase the lenses designed for the PNM-9000VQ. You can choose a wide variety of exchangeable lenses from 2 megapixel 2.4 millimeters to 5 megapixel 7.0 millimeters for the 4 sensors in the PNM-9000VQ and obtain an optimal field of view for desired areas. Now, let's get started with mounting the PNM-9000VQ lens. Use the drill bit provided in the kit to loosen the bolts of the dome cover. Now let's take a closer look at the camera components. On the camera body, there is a power switch to turn on and off the camera. Right below are the output ports for test monitors and the DIP switch to change channels. Next, there are lens module status LEDs to check whether the lens module is connected correctly for each channel. We also have the microSD memory card slot for each channel and the reset button here. On the other side, there is a PoE Plus cable port for power and network. You can mount 4 exchangeable lenses on the lens module dock of the camera body. Each channel number is marked next to the connection port of the lens module dock. Before mounting the lens on the camera, let's take a closer look at the lens module. The lens consists of the lens module and the camera connector. The camera connector is on the bottom of the lens. By aligning the direction of the arrows on the lens module and the camera body, you can easily fasten the lens module. Now, let's see how to mount the lens on the camera. Both the quad and the center modes are available for installation. First is mounting the lens in the quad mode. Before connecting the lens module and the camera body, please check the following. Install the lens module while the power is not connected. Check if the power switch is off before installing or replacing the lens module. Align and fasten the connectors of the lens module and the camera body in the direction of the arrow. Connect power to the camera and turn the power switch on. If the lens module is successfully connected, the green LED is on. If not, the LED will turn red. If the LED is red, turn off the power switch and remount the module so the light can switch from red to green. The LED will turn off after 40 seconds to prevent undesirable reflections. You can manually move each of the 4 lenses along the bottom rail and adjust the pan, tilt, rotate settings. Next is installing the center mode. Remove or attach one of the sensors easily in the center of the camera for flexible setup. Select one of the 4 lenses, tilt the module facing forward and pull. Insert the dismounted lens into the center of the rotating slot. Lift the part with diagonal stripes and separate the frame pan. Move the 3 lenses along the rail and adjust the pan, tilt, rotate settings. The tilt of the center lens is fixed at 90 degrees. We have completed mounting the lens on the PNM-9000VQ. For more information, visit www.hanwha-security.com. WiseNet, Hanwha Techwin.